Professional Brazilian waxing starts with preparation. Safety comes before technique. Every professional begins with hygiene and a clean workspace. Always perform a small patch test before using any new wax product. Clean skin helps the wax grip hair more effectively by removing oil and residue. A light layer of pre-wax powder helps absorb excess moisture. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure the wax reaches a safe working temperature. Apply the wax evenly in the direction of hair growth. Leave a slightly thicker edge to create a comfortable grip for removal. Keep the surrounding skin firm before removing the wax. Remove the wax in one quick motion, staying close to the skin. Applying gentle pressure afterward may help improve comfort. Avoid repeatedly waxing the same area. Remove any remaining hairs individually if needed. Apply a fragrance-free soothing gel, such as aloe vera, after waxing. Use a post-wax oil to remove any remaining wax residue. For the first 24 hours, avoid hot baths, saunas, and vigorous exercise. Once the skin has recovered, gentle exfoliation may help reduce the chance of ingrown hairs. If you notice persistent redness, swelling, or signs of infection, seek medical advice. Professional waxing combines preparation, technique, hygiene, and proper aftercare. Healthy skin comes from consistent care, not shortcuts. Subscribe to MTH Health for more evidence-based health and beauty education.